If your water heater is getting old, you've probably asked this question: should I replace it with another tank or switch to tankless? Traditional tank water heaters store hot water in a large tank. They're typically less expensive to install and work well for many households. The downside? Once the tank runs out, you're waiting for it to heat back up. Tankless systems heat water on demand. That means virtually endless hot water for showers, laundry, and dishes. They're also more energy efficient and take up less space. But tankless systems usually cost more upfront and sometimes require electrical or gas upgrades to install properly. So which one is better? It really depends on your home, your hot water usage, and your budget. At Frank Gay Services, we take the time to evaluate your home and help you choose the system that makes the most sense. Because doing the job right and helping you make the right choice is the Frank Gay way.